You want some? You want some? Do your trick. Do your trick. Go sit over there. Do your trick. Lay.
So everything's ready. You just had a great.
Lay down.
So,
Speak.
You know, we're all good. Everyone's lined up.
Speak.
And I think to myself,
Give me a paw.
double check
Okay,
someone
sit.
else's drop.
Do your trick.
No.
Do your trick. 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 Show me high five. Show me high five.
It turned into.
Show me high five. Show me high five.
Well, suddenly there was chaos happening.
Show me high five.
Talking to some people.
Yay!
Who called me or
Do you love me? Okay, hold on. I'll give you a piece.
I had to figure out what was going on. Oh, let me go back there. I gotta go back there.
Ready? Catch it in your mouth. Ready?
In the middle of the crowd, and all of a sudden Amy needs to leave to go to
Okay, you're good, dog. Give me paw.
what it's about or what's going on.
Give me the other paw.
Better get that quick.
Nope.
We're not ready to get underway. So whatever she